Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. Traders are still awaiting the final executive order, but the quick treasury statement, which appeared supportive of cryptocurrencies, was enough to boost sentiment in the crypto market. The leaked treasury statement has been welcomed by the crypto market as it seems to focus on the development of the industry, rather than on imposing unrealistic regulations, said Yaya Hasegawa, market analyst at Japanese cryptocurrency exchange Bitbank, US. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen applauds the crypto executive order, calling it historic, and the one that strikes the balance between responsible innovation and addressing consumer protection needs. As per details, Yellen says, President Biden's historic executive order calls for a coordinated and comprehensive approach to digital asset policy. This approach will support responsible innovation that could result in substantial benefits for the nation, consumers, and businesses. While the crypto market shoots higher, on the other side, the Asian equity market opened mixed considering the ongoing Russian-Ukraine crisis, with benchmark indices and futures suggesting a positive outlook amid uncertainty. Indian and European markets rose after reports of Russian humanitarian corridors opening surfaced by media outlets. In terms of volume, while Solana and Luna registered smaller spikes. Fast forward 3 months, however, and we can clearly see that Luna's volume has surged high above that of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even Solana. However, Sol and Luna investors are far from being over the moon as weighted sentiment for both assets was in the negative territory at press time. This suggests that investors are well past the excitement of the buy the dip stage. Now ready with their newly acquired assets, most seem ready for a bull run. Looking at the price action of both assets, Sol was trading at $80.94, having risen by 0.67% in the last 24 hours, while falling by 3.75% over the last 7 days. Meanwhile, Luna was changing hands at $93.04, after appreciating by 5.81% in a day, and rallying by 12.82% in 7 days. While investors might take this as a sign to gather some alts for their portfolio, both coins come with their own baggage. For instance, Solana's total value locked TVL share has been on a certain downtrend since the fall of 2021. Meanwhile, Terra's TVL is on the rise, and with a 12.95% share, it is just behind Ethereum itself. And yet, analysts are concerned that Luna could be due for a correction soon. Furthermore, DeFi players are questioning the yield sustainability of Terra's anchor lending protocol. Roughly $3.30 million, as per the graph attached below. In addition to this, Solana volumes have been falling since about early April. Notably, a fall in volumes this month is not the best sign of rising user adoption. This is evident in the graph attached below. What led to this fall? Well, one event could explain this free fall. Binance, the largest crypto exchange, on 29 April, announced the suspension of withdrawals from the Solana (SOL) network. The exchange further stated, this is due to high withdrawal volume generated with blank transaction IDs. Once confirmed that the on-chain transactions failed, the corresponding withdrawal requests would be rejected. The entire process takes at least 4 hours. This development marked the second time Binance will be halting withdrawals for Solana this month. On 7 April 2022, Binance announced that it would suspend withdrawal for Solana because of a network glitch experienced at the time. Solana is currently the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap at $31.7 billion. In the past 24 hours, it recorded a trading volume of over $1 billion, with more than $160 million of that in the SOL-USDT pair on Binance. Needless to say, the set blockade would directly affect the flagship network and its native token in some way. Solana, SOL, a blockchain platform for hosting decentralized apps, dApps, and presently the 6th ranked cryptocurrency in terms of market value, has had a rocky start to the new year. Alternatively, if sellers dump the coin price below the $80 support, the renewed selling would trigger a free fall to the $66 mark. Anyhow, the range between the descending trend line and the $80 support should be considered as no trading zone, and the coin traders should wait for a guinea breakout before entering a new position. Resistance level $105, $122 in the MAS, 20, 50, 100, and 200 price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SOL could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana price prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Solana could cross $1,220.19 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $1,052.77. SOL price prediction 2029. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Solana will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2029, SOL is expected to peak at $1,774.86. The minimum bet could rise to $1,443.62 if the market turns bullish. Solana price prediction 2030. It appears that by 2030, Solana, SOL, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2030, we can expect the average rate to be $2,137.86. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Solana's maximum price could be up to $2,572.46 in 2030. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.